Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel and welcome back to our Korean vocabulary by alphabet series. And this is the seventh video in our series in which we are learning Korean vocabulary alphabet wise. So, in this video, we are going to learn Korean words that begin with this letter Seut. We have already learned Korean words beginning with 기억, 니은, 티귿, 리을, 미음, and 피읍. So, if you have not watched these videos, then I'm going to share the link of this complete playlist in the description so that it becomes very easy for you to have an access to these videos and thus enhance your Korean vocabulary. Now, as I said earlier, in this video we are going to learn words that begin with 시읒. The letter "syut" it gives us many useful words related to nature, food, body parts, and even our daily life. So let's go through some essential "syut" words. Okay, here we go. Person, 사람, 사람. Newspaper, 신문, 신문. Heart, 심장, 심장. Gift, 선물, 선물. Apple, 사과, 사과. Sofa, sopa, sopa. As you can see, sopa is a loan word as it is the transliteration of this word sofa. Okay? Exam, 시험, 시험. Seoul, that is the capital city of South Korea. And this itself is a Korean word, Seoul. So just let's see how to write this in Hangul. It is Seoul, Seoul. So this is a two-syllable word, Seoul, Seoul. All right? Forest, soup, soup. Photo, 사진, 사진. Watermelon, 수박, 수박. Lion, 사자, 사자. Series, 시리즈, 시리즈. Again, this is a loan word. Birthday, 생일, 생일. Island, 섬, 섬. Sugar, 설탕, 설탕. Dictionary, 사전, 사전. Alcohol, 술, 술. Shirt, 셔츠, 셔츠. As you can see, this one is also a loan word. Teacher, 선생님, 선생님. Candy, 사탕, 사탕. Guest, 손님, 손님. Mountain, 산, 산. Time, 시간, 시간. Shower, 샤워, 샤워. This one is also a loan word as 샤워 is the transliteration of this English word shower. Ladder, 사다리, 사다리. Groom, 신랑, 신랑. Bride, 신부, 신부. Homework, 숙제, 숙제. Circus, 서커스, Sokosu. Again, a loan word. Plant. 식물. 식물. Desert. 사막. 사막. Shoes. 신발. 신발. Librarian. 사서. 사서. Color. 색깔. 색깔. Or just 색. 색. So there are two ways to say color. One is 색깔 and the other word for color is 색. Hand. 손. 손. Wrist. 손목. 손목. Wrist is kind of the neck portion of our hand. Okay, and therefore in Korean, wrist is a combination of the Korean word for hand and the Korean word for neck. So our hand's neck is wrist. So it is 손목. Finger. 손가락. 손가락. 손 comes from hand and then you add 가락, it becomes finger. 손가락. Shopping. 쇼핑. 쇼핑. Again, this is a loan word. Capital city. 수도. 수도. Seoul is the capital city of South Korea. Okay? Lettuce. 상추. 상추. Shrimp. 새우. 새우. Electric fan. 선풍기. 선풍기. Accident. 사고. 사고. Restaurant. 식당. 식당. Selfie. 셀카. 셀카. Cow. 소. 소. Uncle. 삼촌. 삼촌. Cousin. 사촌. 사촌. Bird. 새. 새. Seesaw. 시소. 시소. This is also a loan word. Salt. 소금. 소금. Deer. 사슴. 사슴. Math. 수학. 수학. Salad. 샐러드. 샐러드. This is also a loan word. As you can see that 샐러드 is just the transliteration of this word salad. Sound. 소리. 소리. Raspberry. 산딸기. 산딸기. 딸기 is strawberry and raspberry is 산딸기. Market. 시장. 시장. Sandwich. 샌드위치. 샌드위치. This one is also a loan word. Spoon. 숟가락. 숟가락. Box. 상자. 상자. Clock. 시계. 시계. Tax. 세금. 세금. Pomegranate. 석류. 석류. Sports. 스포츠. 스포츠. This one is also a loan word. Award. 상. 상. Photographer. 사진 작가. 사진 작가. 사진 is the Korean word for photo. Okay? spinach, 시금치, 시금치, washing machine, 세탁기, 세탁기, shark, 상어, 상어, office, 사무실, 사무실, frost, 서리, 서리, shampoo, shampoo, shampoo. This one is also a loan word. Apricot, 살구, 살구. Vinegar, 식초, 식초. Biology, 생물학, 생물학. Switch, sweetie, sweetie. This one is also a loan word. Thread, 실, 실. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. And as you all know, we have covered some very essential Korean words that start with 실. And we covered around 70 plus words. So it's a big list. And these words also included a lot of loan words. So this list is very versatile for you. Once you learn all these words that begin with 실, it's going to be really helpful. But there are still many more words left. So, if you can think of any other such Korean words that begin with 실, then please do share them in the comment section. And let's make this list even longer. Don't forget to like and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel and stay tuned for the next letter in our series. Thank you.